Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. Today I'm going to tell you about the diffuse double layer which is formed in clays. So let's begin. First of all, it is a form of clay water electrolytic interaction, which means there is the ions present at the surface of the clay and the diffused ions present in the medium. Basically they act as a diffused they create a diffused double layer system. Since there is a high concentration of ions present at the surface of the clay, this basically creates a compressed form of a layer, and since there is a diffused layer also present adjacent to it, so this is termed as diffused double layer system. Since there are two layers, compressed layer and the diffused layer, so it is termed as diffused double layers. Now basically the cations concentration increases when they are closer to the surface of the clay, and it basically reduces as they move away from the surface of the clay, and they attain a equilibrium situation. And in case of anions, the concentration reduces when they are closer to the surface of the clay, and they the concentration increases when they are away from the surface of the clay. Now the thickness of this diffuse double layer DDL is very important, because if the thickness of DDL is reduces, which it will result in flocculated particle system, and in case the thickness of the DDL increases, then it will result in a very distributed particle type system. Now this DDL thickness can be taken out as TD is equals to, TD stands for the thickness, is equals to dielectric constant into KT upon 8 n naught E square, 8 pi n naught E square V square. Now here whole has to be taken to the power of 0.5. Now here K stands for the Boltzmann constant, T stands for the temperature, n naught basically stands for the ion concentration, which is expressed in terms of ion per centimeter cube, and the E stands for the electric charge, and V basically stands for the ionic valence or ionic charge. Now basically this particular expression gives us the thickness of the this diffuse double layer, and by determining the thickness we can know whether the particles can be of are of flocculated, or they are in a distributed type of a system. So thank you everyone for watching.